Hello, Tom, how are you?
Hi Jackie, I'm fine. What about you?
I'm alright.
Tom, are you still coming on Tuesday night?
Why? What is happening on Tuesday night?
We are going to movie theater to watch a comedy. Remember?
Oh, yeah, it completely slipped my mind. I'm really sorry, but I can't make it.
Are you serious? But we planned it 2 weeks ago.
I know, but some things come up. I will have to look after my little sister. Can we do it another time?
Well, I suppose so.
How about next week instead? Is Thursday any good for you?
Yes, that's fine with me.
Great. I'm sorry about Tuesday, Jackie.
Oh, don't worry. What are you doing today, Tom?
After my school, I'll go to home. After reaching over there, I will do lunch. After that, I'll complete my homework. What will you do today, Jackie?
Dear, after the school, I'll do lunch at home. After that, I have tuition classes. So I'll go there.